Welcome to TruthSayer AI, Earnings AI Index. Here, we will show you how we place actual trades with real money using TruthSayer AI's Earnings AI alerts. In the top panel of our index, you will notice the start date and initial capital we have deployed. As you can see, we started this index on the 1st of October 2024 with an initial capital of $100,000. At TruthSayer AI, transparency with our customers is a core value, and each one of the trades you see on this sheet is an actual trade. Unlike trading gurus or YouTubers that you may be following, we are happy to share our DOMs or brokerage statements for our transactions upon request. You will notice next our current capital and return on investment to date. Next, you will notice that we are comparing ourselves to the overall market index. And between the 30th of September 2024 and the 8th of October 2024, the overall market index had an ROI of negative 0.40%. Over time, we will also report on TruthSayer AI's alpha compared to the market and against a benchmark of long-short equity hedge funds. This is essentially the percentage difference you would have made by following this particular strategy compared to passive investing in a benchmark. Next, let's come over to the trades panel. Here, you will see the actual trades we have placed using our Earnings AI alert. In this case, we went long 30 shares of Pepsi on the 7th of October 2024 for $167.28. The capital we deployed was $5,018.40. Keep in mind that the number 1, 2, and 3 rule of trading is risk management. Because we have $100,000 of initial capital, the best practice is always to only deploy no more than 1% to 5% of your capital in any given position. So, what made us only put 5% and not 1% of our capital on this Pepsi trade? Well, according to our alert, while Pepsi has missed its earnings 8% of the time, our valuations AI on Pepsi tells us that the potential upside for Pepsi is 17%. As you can see, this risk management principle, where we are risking only between 1% and 5% of our capital on any single trade, makes sure that we remain in the markets over an extended period of time. Another important point. You will notice that we have highlighted our entry price and exit price for this trade. The rule that we follow here is that we get into this trade the day before an earnings announcement, and we exit the trade the day after the earnings announcement. We will leave it to your discretion when you get out, but entry into the trade must be the day before earnings to take advantage of the greatest movement in the price of a stock. At TruthSayer AI, our mission is to give you a hedge fund in a box. We want retail investors to be disciplined, risk-managed investors. And we have created this index not only to be transparent with our community, but also to show you that with just 5 minutes of trading per day, it is possible to achieve hedge fund level returns using the power of TruthSayer AI.